This is a blog for 27th of Jan Boom lesson. Okay, so in this lesson we started off with combining bits of material from other exercises that we've done. So like we have some of the Limon technique included into Boom now from the previous session, and we'll incorporate Cunningham later on. And from this morning's lesson, we incorporated a set movement from when Cindy told us to create a movement on the stimulus of freedom of speech. So that's been included, and there's manipulation being tested in that. So me and Hannah are in a pair, so we played a lot with the idea of manipulation, and we were all asked to create a short phrase of freedom. So my phrase was quite large and my arm movements were quite vigorous, and I used quite a lot of space and travelled and rebounded and used dynamics. And then in our partners, you would manipulate the person. So if Hannah touched my shoulder, I'd have to fall to the ground, but I'd have to fall with the shoulder leading. So she did this during my phrase. So it showed freedom from Limon and restriction from Cunningham. So you can see the two principles combining together now. And we added on a new section to Boom, which was manipulation. Pardon me, that looks quite cool. And then we added on the freedom of speech, which me, Jess and Vicky did. So it's really nice, and you can see all different practitioners coming into it now, and Boom's changing from something that it's not recognisable, if you understand me. And there's different things being added, and things are just happening and forming. So it's really nice. My strength of the session was I was able to create phrases to correspond with stimuluses. I was able to explore and respond to other peers, like Hannah. My weakness was I could have made the manipulation, when I was being manipulated, more explosive and less controlled, so that if I was going to fall to the floor, I'd really fall to the floor. My target for next session is to clean up my duet with Hannah, and my area for development is to try and get embedded with the proper techniques of Limon and Cunningham. And that concludes this blog.